Welcome to our channel. Today we have a special treat for all the pancake lovers out there. We're going to show you how to make gluten-free pancakes that are fluffy and absolutely delicious. To start, you'll need gluten-free flour. This can be found at most grocery stores, or you can make your own by combining different gluten-free flours like almond flour, rice flour, and tapioca flour. In a mixing bowl, combine the gluten-free flour with baking powder, a pinch of salt, and a sweetener of your choice, like sugar or honey. Next, add in some milk or a dairy-free alternative, along with a couple of eggs. Mix everything together until you have a smooth batter. Now, it's time to cook the pancakes. Heat a non-stick pan or griddle over medium heat and lightly grease it with some cooking spray or butter. Pour a small amount of the pancake batter onto the pan using a ladle or measuring cup. Cook the pancake for a couple of minutes on each side until it's golden brown and cooked through. Once your pancakes are ready, it's time to get creative with the toppings. You can go classic with some maple syrup and butter, or try something different like fresh berries, sliced bananas, or a dollop of whipped cream. And there you have it, fluffy and delicious gluten-free pancakes that everyone can enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tasty recipes like this one. Happy cooking!